spinning in a scat. I'm a real doing donuts. Till the feds stop chasing us, they gotta catch up. Running through the lights and reels, got the rainbow guts. Smoking out your street, I'm so lucky and I'm blessed up. Don't like the Batmobile, put some red on it. Pipes roaring down your block, scaring everybody. Baby, this head cost, you can tell I ain't like everybody. I ain't anybody, they pull up and they gon' know it's real.
YouTube. Yeah, I know I've been gone for a little minute. 392 Rio, as y'all can see now. I didn't move out. So that's why I've been gone. I've been trying to get sold in and shit. See, it's our two prior. Me, you feel me? Yeah, but yeah. Still ain't got the scat fixed yet, but it's not, it don't look that bad no more. But you see that we about to go ahead and throw on the Louvers and the rear diffuser. Let me see what it's looking like today. It's still noticeable. I hate that shit so much. But got a house. Yep. Officially moved out, not moving back in. Fuck that shit. But we about to go ahead and get these Louvers and shit back on. They've been out for a little minute, man. A little minute. I see the Jeep in the cut. You feel me? But it was about that time to move out. You know, I'm 21, about to be 22 next month, May 3rd. You feel me? So I feel like everybody should move out in their 20s or even younger. I mean, shit, if you got the money, do it. I moved out when I felt like it. The fuck? Wow. For real, I need to find a garage. I need a garage. Without a garage, I wouldn't move it out. I'm not about to park my shit at an apartment complex and somebody come take my shit off my Louvers or something. Like, but that nigga touch my Louvers, I'ma shoot you. Come get your dumb ass. But, shit, for real, I want to see if I can just get a dent repair and just get somebody to buff that shit out, because it don't look that bad for real, y'all. It don't look that bad, y'all. Hey, look. So that can get buffed out, bruh. Washed it up a little bit. I did what I could. It looked better than what it did before, though. That's all I can tell y'all. So, moved out. That's what we got. I need some more jacks and shit. You see, I ain't got no setup. I ain't got shit. I gotta get some more shit, though. I gotta still put this out how it's supposed to be. I just bought it so I can look at it when I bag up, though. But yeah, man, feels good to finally move out. Other than that, I moved out like I was in college. I went to Wright State for like a couple months. That's it. Fuck that, because computer science is hard. Who the fuck got time for 0 to 1s? Nope. But yeah, the real house, you know. He look a little clean today, don't he? Look real clean. Yes, sir. Alright, so I think I gotta go grab the little bolts for that shit, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this on like I did by myself, because I ain't got nobody here to really help me. I can't record it and do it at the same time, per se. So I'm gonna get them on, get back to y'all, or whatever, and then talk again. You feel me? Oh, yeah. And we're done. Got the Louvers on. So how I'll be installing this is I really I would say just put your one at the top and then go from there. And then just keep putting them on and keep putting it down and where you want it at, left and right. That's basically how I'd be doing it. I got them on. And this time I have it so it's screwed in there this fucking time and not gonna be flapping around with them on the highway and shit. But fuck that stock shit, and it's a fucking be in here, motherfucker. You sting me, I sting you back with the scat, boy. Alright, but yeah, we look good though. Looking way better. I just need to, you see, I still need to put the caps on there. I just need to put the caps on. And we back jumping. Other than that, I need to put my little red shit back on. You know, we back ready real style. Looking like a 392 scat. Fuck. Other than that, I still need to take this bumper off and get the lights redone. I don't feel like doing that no time soon. I need to. I still need to wash these rims. Fuck them rims. Might do that tomorrow. Hey, bro, I'm so tired, bro. Chewy. He's decently clean. He don't need to be hella clean, but I think we did a good job. I was gonna wash the Jeep, but I ain't got time for that. Let me know if you want to see stuff on the Jeep. Look like a straight, bro. I'm telling you, the motherfucker look like a straight. And it ain't. That's what's crazy. I did this while moving in. My dumb ass. Little scratches and shit. That's where that red tape gonna go right over that shit. So I ain't worried about it. But finally got this back looking how it's supposed to look. Other than my red fucking strips, which I fucking need. But I don't know what we're gonna do next, y'all, other than putting my lights back together. My boy Gunsmoke got me some new decals. They red reflective. I might have to put them on soon. I gotta go pick them up from him. Other than that, that's about it, yeah. Shit, look good. Looking back how we supposed to look. That's all I got for y'all, man. I'm probably have this guy get fixed or get the lights getting fixed. One or the other. I don't know which one I'm gonna do first, but damn, we look back good. Whew, I miss my Louvers. Cause I hate just having all that light in the back of my window, bro. That should be on me. I hate that shit. I need to fix this little shit right here. I don't know what to do about this shit right here, y'all. I didn't try to tape that shit up here. This motherfucker had broke. I don't know what to do about it. I'm gonna still try to tape that with some 3M or I don't know. We'll figure it out, y'all. But you know, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. I gotta go chill in the new crib or whatever, you feel me? I moved in like a week ago, you feel me? So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Put that notification bell on, man. I need to start saying that and shit. You know, make sure y'all follow me. 392 Real on Instagram, Facebook, wherever. Go ahead. I'm gonna start talking about some other shit in the next videos and all that. Just gotta tune in to me, man. You feel me? We out here. Track on says goodbye. Hold on. Ooh, look at that. That look good in here now, don't it? This might have to be the goddamn it. Yeah. No, I want to let y'all hear it real quick though. You feel me? You feel me? Hi, y'all.
Spinning in the sky, on real doing donuts. Till the feds stop chasing us, they gotta catch up. Running through the lights and reels, got the rainbow guts. Smoking out your street, I'm so lucky and I'm blessed up. Don't like the Batmobile, put some red on it. Pipes roaring down your block, scaring everybody. Baby, this head cost, you can tell I ain't like everybody. Ain't anybody, they pull up and they gon' know it's real.